Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write an essay on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In India, Mahaparinirvan Divas is observed on December 6 every year. It honors Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar on his death anniversary by remembering his dedication and contribution in drafting the Indian Constitution. Now, let's write an essay on this great personality. A great Indian leader, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, devoted his life to battling social injustice, and defending the rights of understated groups. He was born into a Dalit family in Maharashtra in 1891. From an early age, he was subjected to persistent caste prejudice, which fueled his fight for social justice. He pursued education with incredible tenacity in spite of many obstacles. He went on to become a lawyer, economist, and social reformer. He was a key figure in development of India's democratic system. As the principal drafter of the Indian Constitution. He guaranteed fundamental rights for all Indians, particularly those from marginalized groups. devoted his life to promoting social inequality, expanding educational possibilities, and ending untouchability. He changed the social and political landscape of India. Despite his death in 1956, millions of people are still motivated by his legacy. He is known not just as the father of the Indian Constitution, but also as a visionary who dedicated his life to creating a society that was more inclusive and democratic. His life and efforts continue to serve as a persuasive example of how one person's bravery may confront systemic societal injustices.